Hello, my dear students. Let us start our today's class with the solution of assignment 2. Now, first question is name the agricultural implements used for plowing. And the answer is the name of the agricultural implements used for plowing are plow, hoe, and cultivator. Number 2, write the different steps for preparation of soil. And the answer is the different steps for soil preparation are number 1 plowing, number 2 leveling, number 3 manuring. Our third question is damaged sheets would dash on top of water, and the answer is float on top of water. Number 4, the loose soil helps in the growth of dash and dash present in the soil, and the answers are worms and microbes. Fifth question, manuring means adding dash to the soil, and it is manure to the soil. Now let us start today's topic. First we will discuss about method of showing seeds. There are different methods of showing the seeds in the soil, and these are number 1 showing by hand, number 2 traditional tool, number 3 seed drill. Now first we will discuss about showing by hand, and this method is also known as broadcasting. In this method, the seeds are taken in hand and gradually scattered in the entire plowed field. Now see, this is not very good. This method is not very good because there is no proper spacing or proper depth at which the seeds are shown by hand. And also the shown seeds can be picked up or eaten by the birds. Next we will discuss about traditional tool. The tool used traditionally for sowing seeds is shaped like a funnel, and the seeds are filled into the funnel and they pass down through 2 or 3 pipes having sharp ends, and these ends pierce into the soil and place seeds there. And finally we will discuss about seed drill. Nowadays the seed drill is used for sowing with the help of tractors, and these tools shows the seeds uniformly at proper distances and proper depth. It ensures the seeds get covered by the soil after sowing, and this prevents damage caused by birds, and sowing by using a seed drill saves time and also labor. An appropriate distance between the seeds is important to avoid overcrowding of plants, and this allows plants to get sufficient sunlight, nutrients and water from the soil. Therefore, seed drill is the more effective method for showing the seeds. Now we will discuss the advantages of sowing with a seed drill. The showing of seeds with a seed drill has many advantages, and these advantages are number 1, in this method, seeds are shown at correct depth and correct intervals. Number 2, the shown seeds are in regular rows. Number 3, the seeds get covered by soil and hence these seeds cannot be picked up and eaten by birds. Number 4, showing by using a tractor driven seed drill saves time and labor. Now we will discuss precautions for showing seeds. Now the following precautions should be taken while showing seeds in the soil. First precaution, the seeds should be shown at right depth in the soil suitable for germination. Number 2, the seeds should be sown at right intervals or spacings. Number 3, the seeds should not be sown in a dry soil. And next, the seeds should not be sown in a highly wet soil. Now we will discuss about the adding manure and fertilizers to the soil. We know crop plants need a number of minerals elements for their growth which they get from the soil. Now continuous growing of crops make the soil poorer in certain nutrients. Therefore farmers have to add some substances to the fields to replenish the soil with nutrients which are known as manure and fertilizers. Now what is manure? A manure is a natural substance obtained by the decomposition of animal wastes like cow dung, human wastes, and plant residues, which supplies essential elements and humus to the soil and makes it more fertile. Now, how farmers prepare manure? To prepare manure, the farmers dump animal wastes like animal dung and plant wastes like leaves etc. in pits at open places and allow it to decompose slowly. And the decomposition is carried out by some microorganisms. This decomposed animal and plant matter is used as organic manure. Now we already have learned about vermicomposting in class 6. You can remember it. Now a manure improves the soil texture and better retention of water and air retention. Now a manure is however very bulky and voluminous due to which it is inconvenient to store and transport. Also, a manure is not nutrient specific. See, nutrient specific, and hence it is not much helpful when a particular nutrient is required in the soil for a particular crop. So, therefore, for a particular requirement of a particular nutrient, a chemical fertilizer is more useful. So now we will discuss about chemical fertilizer. Now, what is chemical fertilizers? A chemical fertilizers is a salt or an organic compound containing the necessary plant nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus or potassium to make the soil more fertile. Now the examples of fertilizers are urea, ammonium sulfate, superphosphate, potash and NPK, where N stands for nitrogen, P for phosphorus and K for potassium. Now the chemical fertilizers are nutrient specific and have plants nutrient in a concentrated form. So they provide quick replenishment of plant nutrient in the soil and restore its fertility. But see, the excessive use of fertilizers is harmful due to some reasons. Now let us discuss these reasons. The excessive use of fertilizers changes the chemical nature of soil and makes the soil less fertile. Examples, it can make the soil highly acidic or alkaline and which make the soil more less fertile. And also the excessive use of fertilizers causes water pollution in ponds, lakes, rivers, etc. Now let us discuss difference between fertilizer and manure. See, fertilizer is an inorganic salt whereas manure is a natural substance obtained by decomposition of cattle dung, human wastes and plant residues. Number 2, a fertilizer is prepared in factories whereas manure can be prepared in the fields. Number 3, a fertilizer does not provide any humus to the soil, whereas manure provides a lot of humus to the soil. Number 4, fertilizers are very rich in plant nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, and manure is relatively less rich in plant nutrients. Number 5, being soluble in water, a fertilizer is readily absorbed by the plants, whereas a manure is absorbed slowly by the plant because it is not much soluble in water. Now this much is for today. Thank you, students.